Welcome back, and in today's video I'll be guiding you through the process on how you can edit or how you can delete text shortcuts on the keyboard of your Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6. So start by opening settings, and in settings you want to scroll and select the option General Management. From here, tap on Samsung keyboard settings, then you want to scroll and select text shortcuts. Next, as you can see, I already have one text shortcut created here. If I want to edit it, it's fairly simple. I just tap on that shortcut and then I can choose to change the shortcut word. So I can even say good. And then I can change the extended phrase, so I can just tap and then start erasing and typing whatever it is I want to say. Then once I've finished editing my shortcut, I can just tap on save to apply the changes. So now whenever I go to type something out, say I'm typing a message and I use the word good, like that, then you can see the shortcut appearing on my suggestion strip. So I can just tap on it and then you can see my shortcut has now been changed. But if I want to delete the shortcut permanently from my phone, then it's fairly simple. Go back to your text shortcut settings, then you can tap on the delete option at the top of your screen, and then it will select your shortcuts. If you have more than one shortcut created, all of them will be selected, and it will be up to you to deselect that specific shortcut. So once you have your shortcut or shortcuts selected, you want to tap on the bin icon again, and then confirm that you want to delete them. Once deleted, you should see they're no longer appearing in this text shortcuts menu. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below and we'll get back to you.